Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Thai Massage with Ease and Confidence. Hi, I'm Nicola Dickenson and I'll be sharing with you the wonders of Thai massage and other massages from Thailand. The most well-known massage in Thailand is the traditional Thai massage called Nuad Boran, which is also known as lazy yoga. Now this is done fully clothed on a mattress, but there are many more massages that come from Thailand, and I will be sharing some of these with you. Now, I believe in making the world a healthier and happier place. My contribution to this is to share the knowledge and skills of this ancient healing practice with as many people as possible. So, I've created this YouTube channel where you can learn more about these massages, traditional Thai massage and other massages from Thailand. You will learn what they are, how you can do them, tips and advice, skills and techniques for you to use. Why Thai massage? What's the benefits of giving and receiving a Thai massage? How-to videos and much more. Thai massage can be learned by all. There are no requirements to learn. So if your interest is of personal curiosity and use, or for professional development, this channel is for you. We'll also show you how you too can become a Thai massage therapist. To receive your weekly videos, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive your alerts.